Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a semi-naked wedding cake. It's so much easier than you guys would think, and we're going to top it off with some fresh flowers. Welcome back to Shirley's Bakes Cakes. As you can see, I have my cake already stacked and it's ready to be frosted. It's actually a really big cake today. It's a 10-inch cake. I usually do 6-inch cakes. Today it's a 10-inch cake. I'm going to show you guys how to make semi-naked wedding cake. To get started, all we're going to do is I filled up my piping bag with some buttercream, and now we're just going to fill in. We're going to start at the bottom so we get that bottom gap, and then we're going to fill in the gaps. So just kind of push that buttercream in where all those gaps are, just like as we're gonna do a normal crumb coat. Guys, we're just crumb coating the cake. That's how we're achieving the semi-naked look. After we've filled in the cracks, we're just gonna keep spreading that buttercream around our cake, just like we would be doing a crumb coat. So just spread it around so it's nice and smooth. My preference, and this is only my preference, for semi-naked cakes, I like them to have a little bit more buttercream than have it be naked cake. Yes, there's gonna be cake showing, but I kind of like it a little bit more buttercream. That's totally my preference. If you guys don't wanna put as much buttercream on, feel free to just leave it off. We're just gonna try and scrape away some buttercream. We want the cake to show. That's the difference. Usually we don't want the cake to show, so we put a lot of buttercream on, and while we're smoothing out the sides, we don't want the cake to show. This time, however, we're gonna scrape it away so we can see some cake. You guys, that's it. That is how you decorate a semi-naked cake. You basically just do a crumb coat on the cake. I know, your mind's gone. So is mine. You wanna make sure the sides are nice and smooth still, and everything's looking nice and proportionate. On the top today, I am gonna just put my angled spatula, and we're just gonna kind of go around and put it right here, and we're just gonna make a circle. And we're just gonna keep going and going and going until we make a little spiral right into the middle of the cake. There you go, guys. It's a semi-naked cake. It's so easy. If you guys are just starting out making cakes, just learning how to make cakes, start out with a semi-naked cake. Now it's time to make this cake look more wedding cake-ish, and so we're gonna add some fresh flowers. To start out with our fresh flowers, you guys have seen me do it before, but I'll show you really quick. Make sure that they are non-toxic flowers. You can look up on the internet what flowers are toxic and what are not, and still wrap them up. You can use floral tape. I don't love floral tape, it takes forever, and I just don't love it, so you're just gonna wrap these flowers in press and seal wrap. I showed you in one of my videos before that has the sticky side, and I'm just gonna wrap those stems up so that they're nice and safe, and then we're gonna put them in the cake, guys. Thanks so much for watching here today as we made this semi-naked wedding cake. As I showed you, it's really pretty simple. It's just practice your crumb coat and look at what you can achieve, guys. A semi-naked cake, fresh flowers, make everything better. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks so much for watching here at Shirley's Bakes Cakes, and have an awesome day.